Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today's topic is simple addition and subtraction, and this video is for the little ones who is going to start doing addition and subtraction and whose parents are in difficult situation how to start addition and subtraction. So what should I do? I will use my hand, okay, I will use my palm. I will not use this lines or any dot to learn addition. That is not good. If you get a larger digit, that time it is very difficult to do. So let's start with simple addition. What single digit you take first? How to do? First, all the parents, I am requesting all the parents to teach their children each and every lines of the finger. Like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you remember this once, it is very easy to do addition by just finger counting, finger line counting, okay. No need of putting any like this 1, 2, 3 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a good idea, okay. This is good for only small number sums, but if I give you big, larger or greater number, that time it's not good to do. So let's start, okay. So first is what number? Always start counting from the top number. This is the first number. So this is 3. Count from here 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Wait. What is the next number? 5. So how you will count the 5? Till here it is 3. After that you start counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is end. And here is 8. What is the answer here? That is 8. So your answer is 8. Very easy. You can use number line also for doing, but number line you can't do every time. This is number line sums. Okay. 3 plus 5. How? From 0 you take 3. Okay. Then what is there? 5. So small one step of we will take to 5. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. Where did you end? Here. So this is your answer. Very easy. Okay. So in this way we can do lots of small addition. Let's do one more sum. Then I will show you subtraction. Like 9. Or no, I will not take carry one, I will take simple one. 2 plus 4. So first is 2, count 2, 1, 2. From here, after this you will count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did you stop? In 6. Yes. So your answer is 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. Now you can take 2 digits number. Same way, don't get afraid for 2 digits number. You just have to learn in this. First you do 3 plus 4. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop here. What is the next number? 4. From here you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is it here? 7. So here it is 7. Then 2, 1, 2. Stop. Then 1, 3. So in this way you learn addition with the help of your fingers. Clear? Now once you learn, once you know the position of all the numbers, you can do one more shortcut method. Like how? 3 plus 4, you know where is 3, directly go to 3. You know 3, keep the 3 inside your head. After the number, after 3 is 4 here, isn't it? So keep the number in your head 3. From 3, you start counting 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this also you can learn, but first you learn this method, then you can do in lots of methods are there. Clear? Now, how to do with carry? Carry is also very simple. 3, 9, 2, 4. Simply you count 9, you know 9 is here, directly you take the finger, take 9 here. Then after that is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, after this is 4. So till here you know what is here, 13. So 13, like this you write down, but this number will not exit here, it will go up here. So take this one here. Now you add this 3 number. How you will add? See, first you take 1, then 3 is there, 1, 2, 3, then 2 is there, 1, 2. So till here what is there? 6. Yes. So 6 is the answer. So this is addition. You have done simple way addition by taking this carry you have learnt. Now let's come to subtraction. How to do subtraction? It is more easy. Okay. You take 7 minus 2. What is the answer? 2 way you can do this. 7 minus 2. You know 7 is here. So 7 you take, minus 2 means 1, 2, you cancel. So whatever is left till here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the answer. You can do in this method, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is still here. So here is 7. Minus 2 means take from here only. 1, 2, you subtract it. Then what is left? You have counted here and you have come back. So what is left? 5 is left. Okay. So 5 is the answer. Or else you can do one more thing. Okay. From 2, think the 2 is here. Start counting back to 7, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is here. After 2, from 3, count till 7. So 2 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is here? 5. So answer is 5. And in number line, what you have to do? 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose the number line is here. 7, first you go 0 to 7, minus. Subtraction means you have to come back. Addition, what we did, we went to the front side, but in subtraction we have to come back. So 1 step, 2 step, because here we have to subtract 2. So where did we end? 5. Yes, see, we got here 5. Isn't it? So very easy. So this is simple subtraction. Same way you can do double digit also. Just you have to take 1 each line. Four, think here it is 4. Then from 4, after number 5 to 7, start counting. 5, 6, 7. So how many steps? 3 steps. Take 3. 9 minus 3. The below number, write it here. After this number is what? After 3 is what? 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till here is how much? 6. Write down 6. Very easy, right? Now the thing is for borrow number. Don't get afraid, it's very easy once again. Suppose here it is 8 and here it is 2, here it is 1 and here it is 7. Oh my God! How to subtract 2 minus 7? You can't do. That time I have to make this number greater, bigger than what? Bigger than 7. If this number is not big, how can you subtract? You can't subtract. So to make this number bigger, I have to take 1 from this 8. So taking 1 from this 8 means borrowing 1. I have to borrow 1 from the bigger number. So if I give 1, what is left? You all know before number. So write down the before number here. 8 before number is 7. So when you are giving before number, 1 will go here and this will become 12. Now 12 is bigger than 7, right? So what I will do now, subtraction will be easy. Bigger number minus smaller number. What I will do? 7 I will write here. You can't write in your hand. You have to think. 7 is here. So after 7, you start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is here? You have learned 5. Yes, 5 is here. Now 7 minus 1 you will do. This 8 already you have cancelled. Okay. So what is left now here? 7 minus 1. So think here it is 1. So start counting after 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what it is here? 6. Yes, 6. So here is my answer, 65. I hope this is very easy, and if you go through my video, if you don't understand anything, please comment it, okay? Otherwise, please go through my full video and you will understand each and every steps, okay? So thank you so much. Please like my video and share it. Bye. Have a great day.